See a charge on your Bank of America statement that you don't recognize? Don't panic. You have the right to dispute it, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. The key is to act quickly. Under federal law, you have limited time to report fraudulent or incorrect charges, so don't wait. The absolute fastest way is through the app or online banking. Log in, find the suspicious transaction in your account history, and look for the Dispute this transaction or Report an issue link. You'll be guided through a simple form where you can categorize the problem, like fraud, merchant error, or goods not received. Provide as much detail as possible to support your claim. And that leads to my crucial pro tip. Always call if it's urgent. For clear fraud where your card is compromised, calling the number on the back of your card is the quickest way to freeze your account and stop further theft. The online dispute is for individual charges. With that knowledge, you can tackle any questionable charge with confidence. Have you ever had to dispute a charge? How did it go? Let me know your experience down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.